In this video, I'm going to go over how you can make money with myEcon by not referring people, but make money with myEcon by selling the other products that they have to offer. So the first thing you want to do is go to your myEcon back office. The link to log into your myEcon back office is above this video somewhere. Once you log in, you're going to want to go down to My Credit System. And then up here, you're going to click Products. Now, when you get people to come into myEcon, normally you will give them your myEcon link. They'll sign up for $49.95 initially and pay $35 a month thereafter. What they have access to, what you have access to, is all of these products right here. Plus, you have access to the My Credit System to fix your credit. And you also receive 100% commissions for everybody that you refer to myEcon. Now, some people might just want the credit repair system and not want the membership where they pay monthly, and that's fine. So if they just want the credit repair system and just make a one-time payment, you will go into your back office, click My Credit System or Products, then My Credit System, and you will click this My Credit System again. And this will give you a direct link to sell the My Credit System repair kit for a one-time payment of $100. As you can see, this will be your personalized link. You'll end up sending them to this page. They click Get Started Today, and it's a one-time payment of $99.95. Now, they will have access to the credit repair kit, but they won't have access to anything else, nor will they be able to resell it to receive a commission off of it. There's also a few other ones that you could do. I'm not going to go through all of them. You can go take the time to go through it yourself, but you sell roadside assistance. It's like $7.99 a month. The ID Defender, I believe, is $9 a month or $15 a month for a family package. So go ahead and go through these. If you just want to sell these individually as products, you can still make commissions off of those. And there will be training later on in this training site that will show you how to run ads to just sell the product specifically. So I will see you guys on the next video.